This is Mr. Ashlock. I'm going to show you how to log in to your Electude curriculum. This is what we're going to be using every day this semester. It's very important that you learn how to log in. Some of you are going to already know how to do it. So for all the new students, this is going to give you a quick video of how to log in. First thing you want to do is open your Google up on your MacBook or laptop or what you're using. And once you get to Google, you just go to the search bar and you will type in neactc.electude.com. All lowercase. neactc.electude, electude.com. And once you enter that, you just hit your enter button and it should pull up a screen that looks just like this. Now, if you don't put the dots between neact .electude, it won't work. You'll go to Electude website, but it won't be the neactc website. Okay, from there you will click on student, and once you get to students, it's going to be a login information. Your login will be your first initial of your first name. Like if your name is Dwayne, it's going to be a capital D. And your last name is, just say for example, Woods, it's going to be W-O-O-D-S. So it would be capital D, W-O-O-D-S. 20. It's going to be the number 20 beside everybody's name. So first initial capital, and the rest of it lowercase, last name with number 20. Then you click on password, and the password will be password. That's the way it will look. And I'm just going to do, like I was telling you, this will not go through, but I'm going to show you. So if your name was Dwayne, it'd be a capital D. Your last name was Wood, it'd be W-O-O-D with the number 20. So that's what your login username would look like. Your first initial capital, last name lowercase, number 20. Then you hit OK. And of course, it's going to say forgot password because it don't recognize that account. But that's how you get in. I'm going to back out and I want to go to the teacher account so I can show you what it's going to look like when you get there. All right, once you get there, you're going to look over here on the menu side, on the left side of your screen, you're going to see 2017 MLR. That stands for Maintenance and Light Repair. It's got a high school edition, but this here is also for high school as well. So we'll click on that one, and we're going to do the MLR basics. And we're going to come down to this sub-menu here and go down to Brake Basics right here. Once you get to that, it gives you a pre-test and a post-test. You don't have to take that now. You can take the pre-test if you want to, post-test later. The first one it gives you is Introduction Theory Basics. You click on that and go down to the first subsystem here is Introduction. You click on Introduction, Start Module. Now this is the basic layout of every screen you're going to be looking at all the way through the lessons. You're going to have animations on the left. You're going to have your curriculum typed out on the gray, and down here in the yellow looking color is going to be your questions. You're going to have one question down here at a time. Each one of these dots represents questions here. Once you answer the question, this particular question here, you got to check all the blocks that apply. What are the tasks of the complete foundation of brake system? The way you interact with the video over here, you can slow the car down by tapping on the brake pedal. If you continue to hold it down, the car will stop. You notice the front of the car dips down and it raises back up once it stops. You can start the car back up. You can slow it down, speed it up, you can do several. So that's how you interact with the animation over here. So the first question is, the purpose of the brake foundation is to bring the vehicle to a stop. Well, that's true. So if you hit the button over here, that'd be an X, so that's false. So I want to say that's true. It's to keep the vehicle stationary from moving. Yes, that's true. To reduce the speed of the vehicle. Yes, brakes do that. And to increase the speed of the vehicle. No, brakes do not increase the vehicle. They decrease the speed of the vehicle. So once you answer them, you hit check, and there you go. You're done. So once you finish all these lessons here, you get down to the last question, you answer it, and you go to the next one, it'll say, you have finished this lesson, you can go back to the previous web page when you're ready. So you can go back. And from here on mine, it don't go back right to the post test, but on yours it will. So I have to click back on it again and open it all back up. Go back down to basics. Go down to introduction. Then here you see it's got, under the introduction, it's got introduction quiz. And I can go to this quiz and take this quiz. And this quiz you take, you only get one chance at it. Now on the other questions, on the lesson, you can answer them. If you miss it, you can go back and do it as many times as you want till you get them all right. And you should do that before you proceed to the next question. Because once you start here, once you open this, the quiz up, you only get one chance to answer the questions. And that's where your grade will be electronically stored in our browser. Okay, I hope this helped you out. And if you have any questions, you can contact me or Mr. Parker, and we'll help you through it. Thank you very much for watching.